Today on Mom to Mom, we are creating a bee bath for your garden. We have a fun activity for your kiddos to do, and it's educational at the same time. I wanted to create a bee bath for your garden. There's lots of bees this time of year, and it's very important that they get water and they don't drown. I didn't know this, but I recently learned that bees can drown if the water is too deep, and they need water, most like other animals. So this is a fun activity to kind of teach your kids to do, and they can create these terracotta pots. So what you need for this, some paint, whether it's puff paint, acrylic paint. I like to use this Thompson water seal to spray on the terracotta pots just so it keeps it extra waterproof, so when it's out in the garden it won't ruin. And then get these little saucers. It doesn't matter what size, how you want them big or small, just make sure that when you get the saucer, you can flip the terracotta pot upside down and kind of put it on top like this. So what we're gonna do is decorate these guys, and then I'm gonna take, you can either use a glue gun or some Gorilla Glue. I like the Gorilla Glue, so I'm just gonna kind of seal that on top. Then I'm gonna take my marbles and put it in the saucer and put it together like so. Now, I do need to mention that when you are painting these, make sure that you paint it upside down so whenever you try to flip it, it's not, the wrong way. So once you have these cute guys put together, I use a little Mod Podge again to kind of seal it all over again, and then it's ready to go. You have an educational project that your kids are gonna love to do. Hopefully you enjoy this as much as we have, and if you have any wonderful ideas, share it with us, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.
Mom to Mom is brought to you by Perspectives Paint, Wallpaper, Window Treatments, and Upholstery.